Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IFXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where these green line annotations are coming from. And these lines look kind of goofy right now given where the price is way up there. But believe it or not, on Friday, these green lines actually were relevant. So on that note, what I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning here and go ahead and get rid of that line right there. Again, yeah, they still apply to the chart. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. I'm going to just go ahead and use this green line for one of the newest areas of support. And that level is right up here at 003, which is right where the price closed today. And this is what I would call the ideal area of support. Meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can continue to hold above 003, and I use the word continue very deliberately because when you look close here, you can see that there's the low right there. Some more congestion, and then as I've already pointed out, the price is once again closed right atop this area. But so far, the price is doing a great job of holding 003. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 003, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it like it's been doing, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. As far as next area of support, that would be down here at 0026. So 003, 0026. Two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, so this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a grand scope of things perspective, assuming you're just saying, Clay, look, just tell me how do I gauge the strength or lack thereof of the current price movement? Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the price movement is fully in the bull's favor, fully in the bull's control. However you can best visualize that, no doubt about it, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, sellers are very clearly hanging up there right at 004. You can see on 3 separate occasions, bulls try to get up through there, and the bulls try to get up through there, but the bears just weren't allowing any of it. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going forward. All in all, though, nice start to the week, building higher bases, and at the end of the day, really, that's all you can ask for. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.